Hey everyone, this is Arun and I'm back again with another video here. So today I'm going to share one spreadsheet where we have some drop downs available over here, and we have another sheet which is called sold sheet, and this one is the actual sheet. So now I have done some code here that will move the rows once I select on sold. So let me show you this functionality. So if I select the sold, that row is moved here. The whole contents of that row has been moved here. Now I'm again sending you this one. So let me show it again. I'm clicking on sold here, and that particular row again moved over here in the sold sheet. There are some circumstances where we move this row or we select mistakenly. So in that case, if you want to unchange this one, you can just select, you can go to the sheet where the moves are rows and just delete this one, and that row will already move there on the below of that row. So again, this one is the fourth last row. Again, I'm moving this one. Maybe if I did it some mistakenly. So let me delete it. So that's the BMW 116D. I'm deleted, just make delete it. Yeah, BMW is appearing here. So again, let me showcase you once again. So I'm moving this row here. Now this row again move here. So thank you. This is what I just want to showcase you in this video. So if you like this video or if you want this file, so you can just reach me out over my WhatsApp number or email address, which both I will be sharing in the description part of this video. And thank you for watching this video and have a good day. Take care. Bye.